Also, at the moment of birth, the time of death is already preset. Huh. Is that fatalism? No. You can call it whatever you like. The fact is, you enter already with a certain level of potential, consciousness potential, and your exit is already prearranged. So you don't have to worry about dying. It's all handled. You know, the scary thing about this world is not, the scary thing is how do you get out of here? They keep closing all the doors, curing all these illnesses, safety features. I mean, you can't get out of this place. We're trapped. How are you going to get out of this place, you know? Getting here is easy. Getting out of here, how are you going to get out? Okay. You have to get an exit permit from the government. So that's not predestination, which is something else altogether. But your time is limited, and the time of leaving is already preset. It's sort of like getting a, what do you call a computer disc now with a movie on them? DVD? What do you call them? DVD, yes, all right. When you buy a DVD, the end of the story is already in the tape, or the disc, what do you call the thing? Yeah. The end of the story is already there. The fact that it hasn't unrolled yet doesn't mean it's not there. So it's like you're born with this computer disc CDD thing in your head. This karmic CDB? What is it?
DVD.
Huh? DVD. You're born with a karmic DVD. However, you can play it on your computer and you can change the story as it goes. But when the end of the disc arrives, that's the end of the disc, folks. And if you listen to what we say in the lectures, you will be very, very happy about it. You can go now. You go. Thank you, Lord. It's okay to leave.